Gosselin called his acceptance speech sexist after he thanked his wife, Eva Mendes, for taking care of their family while he was filming La La Land. Look, I'm a single woman, and I would much rather spend my Sundays at brunch than at Teletubbies on Ice. Also, Tinky Winky is very likely a serial killer, and I am terrified that he will murder me in my sleep. But calling Gosling's speech sexist is a big slap in the face to the millions of women who stay home to take care of their families. We should applaud them. Thank you, yes, we should. Gosling was honoring his wife for doing very important work, just like I'm honoring his delicious abs by showing you this picture.